How to turn off message and call notification in your car. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings on your device. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Bluetooth and device connection, which is the second option in settings. Then go to Bluetooth. Turn Bluetooth on and simply find your car's Bluetooth and then press on settings. In here you'll find three options. Simply turn off phone calls, media audio, and contact sharing. After you've done that, it will simply turn off message and call notifications in your car. This is how to turn off message and call notifications in your car. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.